Hi, my name is Stephanie and we are here at PGI in Oshkosh, Wisconsin, bringing you a phenomenal 850 count drone show.
Today we're in Oshkosh, Wisconsin at the PGI convention, the Fireworks convention.
PGI stands for the Pyrotechnic Guild International, and this is a convention that they have annually. The focus of the convention is manufacturing fireworks, safety and education, shooting fireworks.
We're collaborating with 3 other partners to bring the biggest drone show that Wisconsin has ever seen.
So the show tonight, not only having 850 drones, is completely scripted with fireworks, which rarely happens in any shows. And so because this is a firework event, it's obviously going to be super special to the event.
Drones and fireworks are like peanut butter and jelly. When done right, they can look great together and enhance the show and add another tool to the toolbox to the fireworks community.
I love fireworks, and we've done so many shows that are in combination with fireworks. We call them a hybrid show. Do fireworks, do drones all together, make a longer show out of it.
This is what one of those looks like. So this is an X1 drone, 4-prop quadcopter. It has a battery down here in the internal area, all the flight controls up top. And then on the bottom here, we have a wonderful 1600 lumen light.
So when you use a choreographed drone as part of the fireworks display, you can tell a story that you by fireworks alone or even drones alone you can't do. So for us, that's what we're trying to do with this show tonight.
We'll be incorporating fireworks with the drones. They'll be a little interactive, very spooky and cool.
You know, one of the advantages of a drone show is being able to put up a logo, putting up somebody's name, where you can't do that with fireworks. Putting up somebody's logo is just really cool. People like to see their name up in the sky.
There's a lot of hesitation to bring drones into the fireworks space, so this show is going to give us that opportunity to show everyone that these two mediums can go together very well.